Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our presentation. Today, we are very proud to present our project-based learning outcome, the SBOM borrowing application developed by team PBL TRPL 209. So, before we dive, before dive into the system, let me introduce the team behind this project. Okay, next slide, bro. Okay, so the first is me, as Dentar Sakib as a team leader and team leader of this team PBL TRPL 209. And then we have Ayudhya Permata as a UI UX designer, Muh Asmi Sandita as a developer, and Frista Riris Anessa Tambunan as a business analyst. Okay, next slide. Okay, let's start with the why, what the problem of what we are solving. So previously, the management of facility borrowing at our campus was done manually using spreadsheet. This is manual approach led to several major issues without real-time availability check and scheduling conflict frequently occur. The approval process is slow and unstructured. There was no central view for daily monitoring and evaluating monthly usage data was incredibly difficult for the management. So to resolve, next slide. So to resolve this issue, we create the Book Polybatam, a fully digital SBM borrowing application. At our solution provide a digital booking system for room and campus asset. To prevent double booking, the system automatically hide the facility that are already booked from the available option. We will also integrate the facility and centralized facility users monitoring and automate daily and monthly recap for both administrative staff and security officer. Okay, next slide. So this is what application feature we have until F22 feature. So we have a register account, blah 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 blah, and this account for register until track facility return used by borrower or user. The feature of manage facility room data until the provide final approval as a admin. Next slide. And then the application feature verify submitted facility loan request by a lecturer, verify borrowing request approved by the lecturer like a facility PIC. Okay, so that was our application feature. So I will hand over to my friend Ayudhya.
Okay guys, so yeah, now I will show you the user interface of our system. This is the landing page. User can learn about the system and login to their account. Next, this is the borrower dashboard. User can see their request, notification, and create a new booking. Next, this facility menu. Here, user can see available facilities and choose one to borrow. Next, here on this page, user fill in the borrowing form and submit their request. Next, the lecturer approve the request. Then the facility PIC checks if the facility is ready. Next, the admin verifies request and manage the borrowing process. Next, this page show borrowing report and facility usage. Next, the security officer monitor activities and record any issues. The system makes the borrowing process easier, faster, and more organized. Thank you.
Okay, our application offers 5 key benefits. First, it improves data accuracy and integrity by storing all records in centralized database. And second, it promotes operational efficiency and transparency. allowing users to track borrowing status in real time. Third, it accelerates bureaucracy and supports paperless operation by digitizing the entire approval process. Fourth, it minimizes schedules, conflict draw, and automatic validation system. And finally, it simplifies managerial oversight and evolution for the SBOM head and security staff. These benefits make the borrowing process faster, safer, and more organized. Next. Okay, to validate our application, we conduct two types of testing. First, we use black box testing with a functional testing technique covering all 22 use cases in our system. Second, we distribute a Likert scale questionnaire to 13 respondents with a total of 20 second question items to measure our satisfaction. These two approaches ensure that our application is functionally reliable and user-friendly. Next. Okay, here the result of our black box testing. We test all 22 features across 6 user groups, including borrowers, collectors, SB staff, SB head, facility PIC, and security officer. As you can see in the table, all 22 features passed successfully from account registration all the way to security monitoring. This gives us a success rate of 100%, meaning every feature run exactly as expected. And next. Okay, and now let's look at our product validation results draw the questionnaire. You can see based on response from 30 respondents, we evaluate 5 aspects of the application, such as customization, easy of use, content support, moderate, and however, download delay and satisfaction both score 30%, is meaning system speed and overall user satisfaction needs significant improvement in our next development phase. Overall, the result gives us valuable insights to make the application better and more user-friendly in the future. Thank you. Next to my friend Anita.
Okay, this is a code requirement implementation. So first one is a software engineering, and the second the database system, and the third of a web of programming, and four a user interface and user experience, and five system analysis and design, and six a software testing. Okay, next. Okay, I'm gonna show you a technical implementation. So first, what tools I use on the implementation of the website. First, I make a backend Laravel framework, and the second front end we use a template, and Tailwind CSS and JavaScript. And third, we have database MySQL. And for development tools, we use Visual Studio, GitHub, Figma, Drawio, and Laravel. Okay, this is a result on the completion. Testing is already successfully rate 100. Okay, this is a best aspect. This is a customization is a 70 good. Then improvement not delay and certification is a 33. So very good. And the conclusion, this BOM borrowing application successfully to digitalize facility borrowing process. And then other feature the 22 feature from a 6 user group run and expert, and the system effectively eliminates schedule conflict through automated validation. And the further development is need to improve the system performance and user certification. Thank you for me.
Okay, was our presentation. We deeply apologize of we have the problem about the presentation, but we will do it better again. Okay, so we will frequently ask open question about this presentation, and then thank you for the watching our presentation, and goodbye. Bye bye.